guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome. Today's gonna be another short, cute, and sweet video. I'm gonna show you guys how I wrap my hair with a head wrap. As you guys can see, I still got my braids in. It's still going strong. I got these done in in February. It was like February 29th or something. I did these braids and I still got them in these. Okay, I'll be having these braids in my head until my new hair arrives. So everyone, please calm down. I don't want to see nothing in the comment section. I don't want to see nothing in my DMs talking about some shit. You need to take them braids out because they're not coming out. Okay. Anyways, yeah. So today I'm just going to show you guys how I wrap my hair and the different ways to style your head wrap. Okay, so if you guys want to see that, then keep watching. Alright guys, so I'm starting off with a ponytail, pretty simple, nice and easy, and I'm grabbing my silk scarf. I got this scarf from an Indian store in the mall. I'm so sorry, I don't remember the name of the store, and they also don't have a website, so yeah. Anyways, I'm making sure it's nice and even on both sides, and then I'm bringing my scarf up, and then I'm crossing it at the top. And as I'm crossing it, I'm making sure the scarf's laying nice and flat so that there's no weird bulges on the side or in the back or anything. So now I'm bringing my scarf towards the back and then I'm tying it in the back. Okay, and then once I'm done tying it, the remaining material, I just tuck it on the inside of the scarf. Okay, and when you're done, it should look something like this. This style is supposed to mimic like the Poetic Justice, but it's not exactly like hers. So yeah, I wouldn't call it that, but it's still cute though. It's very cute. I love this style. All right, moving on. So the next style I'm gonna do, I'm just wrapping my hair in a bun. I noticed that there's some material of the headscarf sticking out, so then I just tuck that in. Yeah, and all I'm doing is just wrapping my braids in a bun until I'm satisfied. Okay, and that's it, girl. That's what it is. Style number 2. This is very cute too. All right, so again, starting off with just my ponytail, and I'm widening my scarf because I'm going to completely cover the top half of my hair. So I'm making sure my scarf is nice and big for that. This style is great for anyone who their braids are very stale, like mine. This is a great way to keep your braids in, but still look cute. So then I just cross my scarf in the back, and then I'm tying it in the front. And then the remaining material that's left, I twist and then I tuck it inside. And then I end up retwisting my right side again because I didn't like the way it was laying. So yeah, just twisted it a little bit tighter and then I tuck it on the inside. And then when you're done, it looks like that. Super, super cute. Another really cute style. Another really cute way to wear your head wrap. Alright, so now for this style, I'm just starting off with my hair in a bun. I'm laughing because I felt like I looked like an egghead. I look really weird right now, but whatever. So I'm just grabbing my scarf again, and then I'm completely covering my bun and also the back of my hair. And then I'm just tucking it behind my ears and tying it in the back. And then I just push the scarf up a little bit more. I just want to show a little bit more of my braids and my edges. Okay, and then when I'm done that, I bring my scarf to the front and I tie it in the front as well. Okay, and for the remaining pieces, I just twist and I tuck on the inside of the scarf. As you guys see here, the repeating trend in this video, and I'm consistently twisting and tucking my scarf. And then when you're done, it looks something like this. It should look like this anyway. Super quick, easy, and cute to do, period. As you guys can see, I'm feeling myself, so I'm acting the fool. I can't. Okay, so now I'm starting off with a low ponytail, and then I'm grabbing my scarf and I'm covering the complete top half of my hair, and I'm just tucking the scarf behind my ears, and then I'm tying it in the back, as you can see here. I just bring the rest of the scarf to the front and I tie it in the front as well. Okay, and then for the rest of the scarf, I'm twisting and I'm gonna tuck it on the inside in the back behind my ponytail so you don't see where I tucked it in. And then I do the exact same thing on the other side. Super cute. The style kind of reminds me of like Princess Leia from Star Wars. I think this is from Star Wars. But anyway, super cute. Alright, so from the last style, I just untied the front. And for anybody who prefers not to wear like a twisted crown in the front, then this one is for you. So all you're gonna do is tie the scarf in the back on your ponytail consistently until you run out of material. So you continuously tie it bottom, top, bottom on your ponytail. And then once you run out of material, you're just gonna tuck the remaining pieces inside of your scarf. And then when you're done, it should look something like this. So now I'm just starting with my hair out, okay, and I'm just putting it in the back just to get it ready for my scarf. And then I again cover the complete top half of my hair, and I put the scarf slightly behind my ears, and then I grab opposite ends of the scarf and then I tie it in the back. And then once you tie it, all you're gonna do is roll it in a bun. So you put the two remaining pieces together and then you just roll it in a bun. That's it. And then when you're done, your bun should look something like this. And that's it, girl. So now all I'm doing is taking the bun down from that last style and bringing the opposite ends of the scarf to the front. And before I do that, I twist, bringing the scarf to the front, and then I tuck it in the back. And then I do the exact same thing on the other side. And yeah guys, so this is the end of the video. I hope you guys liked it. Remember to comment, like, and subscribe. Make sure to leave a comment and let me know what kind of videos you guys want to see from me. Share this video with everyone and anyone that you know, and I'll be seeing you guys in the next one.